Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Friday the 24th of November 2017. I'm Darren Sinden and you can follow me throughout the day on Twitter by using @ds_Pepperstone. Right, let's take a look at overnight changes and price moves to be aware of. And really, there are none to speak of. As you're well aware, yesterday was Thanksgiving in the States. The US markets were closed, and so we saw very thin trading and nothing really to speak of. All I will say, will flag, is one thing, and that Bitcoin is now up over 1,000% on a yearly basis. So quite an impressive statistic that I think you'll agree. Okay. Now, chart of the day today, I thought we'd take a look at the fortunes of the trade-weighted euro and the trade-weighted US dollar. The dollar in green, the euro in blue. There's been much talk about a weaker dollar for 2018, and indeed there's been a solid downtrend in play here in dollar index. But as we look at the chart here, this is a 3-year chart. One wonders whether perhaps the differential between the euro and the dollar has run far enough, and so could we indeed see a reversal of fortunes for the trade-weighted euro and the trade-weighted dollar, a sort of contrarian idea, or for 2018, or contrarian thought perhaps I should say. Okay, what's on the calendar? Events that may move the markets. As you'll imagine, with the US closed and another half day in America today, it's a bit thin. However, we do have a reasonable amount of European data to get our teeth into. We've already had some interesting PMI manufacturing data out of Japan, which we'll come to in a moment. But to come at 8:15, industrial production for the third quarter out of Switzerland. Then at 9 o'clock, the influential IFO Business Climate Survey out of Germany. That's followed immediately by industrial sales and industrial orders data out of Italy. Much was made yesterday of the UK economy in comparison to an underperforming European economy like Italy, so it'll be very interesting to see how that data turns out. We have UK data at 9:30 in the shape of mortgage approvals for October, and then at 12:30 ECB Vice President Vitor Constancio speaks. That's followed at 14:45 by market PMI manufacturing services and composite data for the US, and then at 18:15 ECB's Kerr is speaking again to finish off the trading day. Right, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye overnight. First of all, Chinese equities have continued to sell off after yesterday's sharp fall. Yesterday's drop was the largest seen in blue chip equities there for 17 months. Staying in Asia, another Japanese company, this time Mitsubishi Materials, has been embroiled in a materials falsification scandal, just as the November manufacturing PMI for the country breaks and beats expectations, posting the best growth for 3 years. But of course, if these scandals keep appearing, one wonders whether we'll need to review the quality of that data, shall we say. Amazon workers in Germany have threatened to strike today over bonus payments. Of course, it's Black Friday, one of the busiest days of the year for Amazon. And an Australian government white paper has attacked China's expansion in the South China Sea and irritated Beijing in the process. Right, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading day. And it is Black Friday today when America goes shopping. And these days we tend to think that means shopping online, but bricks and mortar retail in the USA is far from dead, as this chart shows. And Walmart, the largest American retailer, is still the largest private employer in 22 states in the US, with more than 1.5 million employees in the company. Right, risk warning time. Please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and foreign exchange on margin can be a risky business. If you're in any doubt about those risks, then please do contact your Pepperstone account representative. Thank you for your time.